evening, everyone. Is the voice clear? Am I audible? Do let me know. Am I audible, beta? Please turn on your mic and tell me, is the screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll just wait for a minute, only 1 minute, and then we shall start our class. Just a minute, right? So that the more students can join us. Today we are going to do types of numbers, okay? Different types of numbers we are going to do, and then we will see what type of question comes in the examination, right? Everyone ready? No one is ready. No one said yes to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
before starting class, Adya, can you please turn on your mic once, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, you told that your ask out has not been solved, but I could not get any question from your end. Please do recheck where have you sent the ask your doubts, okay? I think you must have not sent in the ask out session.
Yeah, ma'am. It was like it showed me that that assignment is pending, so I asked my doubt over there.
Assignment is pending. You, beta, if you sent in that JA27S that, you have to send that in ask out session. As if it is related with maths, you have to send in the math section, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I've sent it over asked out batch only. I think there might be some internet issues, so I'll send it again.
Yes, beta, for sure, because I could not find any. Dhruv,
Okay,
I
ma'am.
found yours, but I could not find theirs. Okay, so let's start, beta. And today we are going to do different kinds of numbers, right? Different types of numbers. And I shall start with natural number. Just raise your hand. Who will tell me about the natural number? Raise your hand. Only raise your hand. Okay. Darsh, you tell me. What are natural numbers?
My natural numbers are the numbers starting from 1.
Yes, very good, beta. Natural numbers are termed as counting numbers starting from 1, right? Starting from 1. And from 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till infinity, all are the natural numbers, right? All are the natural numbers. Okay, next I have whole numbers. Just raise your hand. Who will tell me about the whole numbers?
It starts from 0.
Beta, you have to raise your hand first. I shall call out your name. Okay, Gayatri? Okay. So, yes, Gayatri, you told me the correct answer. The numbers which start from 0, or you can say that natural numbers along with 0, right? Along with 0, like 0, 1, 2, 3, and then so on. These are considered to be the whole number. Please note this down, everyone. I'll wait for 30 seconds and then we will do the
Yes,
other
ma'am.
numbers.
Don't think that.
Better turn off your mic, dear. Thorvi, please turn off your mic, better. Waiting for 30 seconds only. Hope you must have written this. Everyone done, I think so. Fast, fast, we will do the numbers and then the questions, okay? Whiteboard, it takes time. Okay, now the next number I have is integers. Raise your hand who knows about the integers. Who will tell me about the integers? Raise your hand. Okay. Atya, tell me about integers.
Ma'am, integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero. Ma'am, integers are whole numbers that can be positive, negative, or zero.
Yes, Adya. But you know what? I heard some compressed noise from your end, beta. What for that?
Ma'am, my brother is watching TV.
Watching TV. But that compressed noise was
Ma'am, I can
the
turn on my fan.
answer of
I don't have any
it.
device near me.
Might be possible. Okay, everyone, please pay attention. So, integers, you can say the whole numbers. Okay, whole numbers that includes both positive and negative numbers, right? Both positive and negative numbers. Suppose if this is a number line, 0 is also the integer, but 0 is neither positive nor it is negative integer. Always do remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative, and this side of 0 we have all the positive integers and so on. This side of the 0 we have all the negative integers. Okay, so these are the negative integers that has minus sign in front of it. These are the positive integers. These numbers do not possess any sign. If the numbers do not have any sign, that means it is positive integer. Okay, if a number does not have any sign, it means it is positive integer. And zero is neither positive nor negative. Always to remember. Sometimes MCQ come like this. That is 0 is a dash number, and then you have integer, whole number, natural numbers, okay, even numbers like that. Please note this down. Waiting for 30 seconds. Please note this down. Any doubt? If the number, you can ask me. Take the screenshot or note it down. Hope you must have done better. And beta, this is not the smart board. So you will tell me to show the previous slide and I will show you the previous slide. So please be cautious. Okay. Next, I have rational numbers. Who knows about rational numbers? Do raise your hand. Who will tell me about rational numbers? Only two. Gayatri, Adya. Okay, Gayatri got her turn. Adya also got Arjun. You tell me. Yes, Arjun.
Decimal.
Pardon, beta.
Whole number with decimal.
Whole number with decimal. No, beta. You are wrong there. Yes, Gayatri, you can also tell me. Tell me the answer, Gayatri.
They have a numerator and denominator.
So they will be the fraction. How rational number? Okay, Adya, you tell me.
Ma'am, any number that can be written as a simple fraction is called a rational number.
No, you are not fully correct. Yes, Samhita, you tell me.
Rational numbers that are
Yes, beta, go ahead, Samhita.
Q is not equal to 0.
Okay, tell me, Samhita. This rational numbers is what? Natural number, whole number, integer, what? It is what? Sadhya, tell me.
Integer.
Integers. Yes, correct. Okay, see everyone. This rational numbers are the integers, beta. Why integers? क्या लिखा मैंने? Why integers? Because it includes positive as well as negative numbers, right? So always to remember that rational number comes under the category of integers because it includes both positive and negative numbers. Now coming to the rational numbers. What are rational numbers? A number that can be expressed in the form of P by Q. That is a fraction. P by Q, a fraction. But Q can never be equal to 0. Q can never be equal to 0. And now what does this mean? This means that whenever you have any kind of fraction number, any kind of fractional number, whether positive or negative, the denominator can never be 0. For example, if I tell you 2 by 3, yes, it is a rational number. I tell you minus 5 by 9, yes, it is a rational number. I tell you 0 by 4, yes, it is also a rational number because numerator can be 0. But if I tell you 5 upon 0, so this cannot be the rational number. Why? Why this cannot be the rational number? This cannot be the rational number 5 by 0 because denominator cannot be 0. Cannot be 0. Got it there? Yes, Thorvi, want to ask something?
Ma'am, I can't see the board. It is like full black. I can see, so I can't understand it.
Better, better exit and rejoin there. Might be because of internet.
Okay.
Yes, Karthik, want to ask anything?
What is the meaning of denominator?
Okay, so whenever you have a fractional number, okay? Whenever you have a fractional number, so upper part is called numerator and lower part is called denominator, beta. Okay? Anyone else? Any doubts? No? Please take the screenshot. I will
Ma'am,
be
should
rubbing
we
the
write
board.
the examples?
Yes, beta, you can.
Ma'am, I cannot see the above part because of the camera like that.
Beta, above part is rational number is equal to integers, okay? This is rational number is equal to integers that can be both positive and negative, and a number that can be expressed in the form of p by q, but p can never be equal to 0. Okay? Hope you must have written.
Ma'am, I had a doubt in that divisibility rule tricks that you told.
Okay, you can ask me once. Let me complete this.
Ma'am, don't clap last line.
Last line is beta 5 by 0. Okay? Hope you must have written this. Let me rub this. Whiteboard requires more energy. Okay, now I have some special type of number. Hope you know this. Who will tell me about even numbers? Just raise your hand. No one will turn on the mic. I shall choose the student. Just raise your hand who knows about even number. I will give turn to that student who has not answered yet. Okay, so I'll go for group. Yes, group. Even numbers.
Ma'am, even numbers are numbers like 0, 2, 4, 6 and on. Each number, it should be skipped by one number and go on.
Not fully correct,
Not
beta.
fully
Group.
correct, beta. Bro.
You want to tell me the correct thing? I know, but still you did not. Yes, who will tell me? Thorvi. What are even numbers?
Numbers that come in the twos table by skipping one. Like 2, 4,
Two
6.
table. Yes, might be, but not complete answer. Okay, Harshika. Be Harshika.
Ma'am,
Yes, go for it.
ma'am,
Tell me, beta. Yes, beta,
even
tell
or
me.
odd. Ma'am, even or odd.
Even numbers, beta. Even numbers.
Okay, ma'am. 2, 4, 8, 6, 12, 14, 18.
Not completely correct. Matlab, you are telling me the correct answer, but not the answer. No one gave me the answer that I want. Everyone are telling their own way. Okay, see, what are even numbers? Beta, whoever mic is on, please do turn it off there. Please turn it off. Thank you. Okay, see. So even numbers,
Woo, woo.
Shreyan, beta, please turn off your mic. Number that can be, let's see, turn off, बोल के turn off ही लिखती हूँ. That can be divided by 2. Okay? That can be divided by 2. Divided by 2 means what? Completely divisible by 2. Completely divisible by 2. Okay? A number which is completely divisible by 2, that number is termed to be the even numbers. Now, if I talk about even numbers, unit digit. Unit digit means what? Unit digit means the last digit. Last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. If any number at the end, or you can say the last digit of any number is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, the number is said to be the even number. And the same way, if I talk about odd numbers, so numbers not divisible by 2, right? Numbers not divisible by 2. And what does this mean? This means that unit digit, or you can say the last digit, it should be 0, 2, 4, 6. Sorry. The last digit should be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay. If any number at the end has 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay. Then that is even number. If at the end of any number you have 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9, that is odd number. Because I can see in the chat box, many of you are telling that you are, two of you are telling me, Thorvi and are there, that you are not able to see the screen, beta. If can everyone
I'm
please,
able to. I'm able
just
to
just a second,
rejoin.
just a second. Those who cannot see the screen, beta, can you please raise your hand? Let me see if the network is weak from my end. Only Thorvi. If beta only one person Thorvi, then I think beta you have low network strength there. Thorvi. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me, and please note this down. Ask me the doubts, and by the time note this down. Yes, Harshika.
Ma'am, it will also come in the table of the even number. Even number also come in the table of 2, right?
With a table of 2, so you know only till 10, right? 2 tens are 20. But what if I ask you 8,484? So if you go with that perception, it would be difficult for you, Harshika. Though you are telling me the right thing, but as for that perception, it could get a bit difficult for you. Just to remember, beta, that any number which is divisible by 2 is even number. Easier than that, any number that ends with, or you can say any number whose last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, it is even number. Any number whose last digit is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers. Okay, Harshika?
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no, I'm just waiting for 10-20 seconds. Please note this down, take the screenshot, and then I shall move ahead.
Ma'am, I finished.
Finish. Very smart, beta.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us rub this. Now I have another number which is called prime numbers. Raise your hand who knows about the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Raise your hand. Okay. Kirti, you tell me.
Which has two factors.
What factors? Name the two factors. Name the two
Two
factors.
Two is only divisible by 1 and 2.
No, beta Kirti, you are wrong. Yes, Darsh, you tell me. Prime numbers. Darsh. Okay. Sadhya, you tell me.
Ma'am,
Prime numbers are those which has the factor 1 and the number itself.
Very good, Sadhya. And beta, Darsh, as soon as I ask you the question, you have to be ready with your answer. Okay? You have to be ready with your answer. Turn on the mic as soon as we call out your name. See, prime numbers, what are those? Numbers that has only two factors, one and itself. And this is just the definition. In easy words, if I tell you the prime numbers, so prime numbers are the numbers which can be divided only by itself or one. Any number which can be divided only by itself and one. For example, if I tell you 7, so 7 comes in the table of 7. 7 will be divided by 7. And 7 is divided by 1 also. But 7 is not divided by any other number. That is why 7 can be considered to be the prime number. If I take, suppose, 23. So this 23 also, 23 is divisible by 23. 23 is divisible by 1. But other than that, there is no number that divides 23. Yes, Shreyan, want to ask something?
No, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So see, always do remember any number that has only two factors, one and itself. In easy way, a number which is divisible by only itself and one is termed to be the prime factors. Prime factors are prime numbers. And what do you mean by, who knows about composite numbers? Raise your hand, beta. Composite numbers. Hmm. Okay. Arjun Meki.
Ma'am, the numbers which have more than two factors.
Very good. Can you please give me the example, beta?
Ma'am, please go this down, ma'am. Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8,
Okay.
16, 24.
8, 16. 8, 16, 24. Yes, very good, beta. Very good. Okay, see. Very good, Arjun. See, composite numbers that has more than two factors. Okay, more than two factors. In easy word, you can tell that numbers which are not prime, numbers which are not prime can be considered to be the composite number. Any number which is not prime. For example, if I ask you 8, 8 is not a prime number. It comes in the table of 2, 4, 8. So it is not a prime number, right? You told me 16. Yes, 16 is also not a prime number. So any number which is not prime can be termed as composite number. Definition can be numbers that has more than two factors. Any doubts? Please ask me. Thorvi, Vita, want to ask something?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
how we come 8 and 16?
8 and 16, beta, I'm giving you the example there that 8 is also not a prime number, 16 is also not a prime number. So any number which is not prime, or you can say any number that has more than two factors. Because for 8, it is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 8 also. So it has more than two factors. That is why it is a composite number. Yes, Adya?
Ma'am, I have a doubt in that divisibility rules, but not in this.
Beta Adya, let me finish the number. Write your doubt in the chat box, Adya. Okay, write your doubt in the chat box. Please note this down and I am going to rub it. Quickly there.
Finished, ma'am.
Finished? Very good, Beta.
Finished, ma'am.
Very smart, Beta. Very smart.
Finished, ma'am.
Okay, see. Who knows about co-prime numbers? Who will tell me about co-prime numbers? Raise your hand. Yes, Sadhya. Do tell me about co-prime numbers.
Ma'am, those are two numbers which only have the number 1
Two numbers
as a
that have
common
only number one.
factor. They have only the factor which is
Ma'am,
common is 1.
Yes, very good, Adya. Very good. Numbers that has only one common factor, or you can say number that has only one as a common factor. That means any number that has one as a common factor can be termed to be the co-prime number. Okay, they can be termed to be the co-prime numbers. Now, it is not necessary that co-prime numbers, the numbers should be prime. Not necessary. 4 and 9 is also co-prime. 4 and 9 individually, they are not prime numbers. But 4 and 9 can be termed as co-prime. Why co-prime? Because the common factor in both of them is 1. right? Because factor of 4 is 1, 2, and 4. Factor of 9 is 1, 3, and 9, right? 1, 3, and 9. So the common factor in both is only 1. So always to remember that it is not necessary that the number which are prime only they will be the co-prime numbers. Not necessary. The number that has common factor 1 as a common factor, they will come to be the co-prime numbers. Especially the consecutive number. Suppose if I tell you 14 and 15. Consecutive, that means one after the other, right? So 14 and 15 also, if I talk about 14, so 2, 1, 2, 7, and 14 are the factors. If I talk about 15, 1, 3, 5, and 15 are the factors, right? But the common is what? Common is 1 here and 1 here. So common factor is 1. That is why 14 and 15 will also be the co-prime numbers. Any doubt in co-prime? Do let me know. Any doubt, beta? If no, then quickly.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am, I did not understand the co-prime number, ma'am.
See,
Please explain again,
co-prime
ma'am.
numbers. Yes, beta. Co-prime numbers refers to the number that has only one as common factor. The numbers that has only one as a common factor. That means if there are two numbers and those numbers commonly like 4 and 9. So 4 can be divided by 2, 4 can be divided by 4, 9 can be divided by 3, 9 can be divided by 9 also. But if I ask any common number which can divide 4 also and 9 also, so you will tell them 1. 1 is the number that will divide 4 also and 9 also. Any number which has 1 as a common factor, that is termed to be the co-prime numbers. Yes, Arjun. Any number that has only 1 as a common factor. That means any number, pair of number, which can be divided by commonly only by 1. Commonly only by 1. That is co-prime numbers. Please note this down. Take the screenshot there. Okay. Let me rub this. Yes, Adya, now you can ask me what was the doubt. Are they there in the class? Okay. Adya, beta, I gave you the opportunity to ask, but you're not asking. And then when I will start the poll, you will again tell me, ma'am, I had doubt in divisibility rule, ma'am.
Ma'am, sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Yes, tell me, what was the doubt?
Ma'am, so you told us tricks for that if like for example, but if something is divisible, if something is divisible by 18, it would be also divisible by 2 and 9. So, ma'am, but
Yes,
it could also be divisible by 6 and 3.
yes, for sure. But any number which is divisible by both 2 and 9. For sure, it can be divisible by 18 also, right? For sure, it can be divisible by 18 also. And the thing which I told you just before starting the divisibility rule, when I was telling you the division tricks, as far as I remember, I told you that whenever you have any number to divide, suppose if you have any number like 72 divided anything like 18 only. So might be possible that you don't know the table of 18. Might be possible. But you should know the table of 18. At least up to 25, you should know the table. But might be possible that you don't remember the table of 18. So what I asked you? I asked you to break this in small numbers, right? Small numbers. So this small number I broke into 9. If you want, you can break this number not in 2 by 9. You can break it into 6 into 3. You can do that as well, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes, Arjun, you have raised your hand here.
Ma'am, all consecutive numbers will be co-prime.
Pardon, beta.
Ma'am, all consecutive numbers will be co-prime.
Beta, consecutive numbers are mostly co-primes because the only common factor they have is 1. That is why. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now, if I talk about some questions that has come in the examination related with the numbers. Okay. I'm going to give you poll related with it. I'm going to give you poll related with it. Okay. This question is of RMS. Okay. 2020. You can find it in Bharati publication book. The smallest natural number is. And please don't think the topic is easy, so you won't get any question related to it. There are lot of questions that comes from this topic. And here you go. You can answer me. Quickly answer me. Kirti, Dhruv, and Adya. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 11 of you have given me the correct answer, but still 5 of you have given me the wrong one. Beta, smallest natural number. 0 is not the natural number, right? Minus 1 is negative. It cannot be the natural number. So I'm left with 2 and 1. 2 and 1 both are natural number. Smallest is being asked. So option D, 1 will be your answer. Option D, 1 will be your answer. Please take the screenshot, beta. Going to give you another poll. This question is from Sanic 2023. Find the smallest 5-digit number using 3 different digits. Okay. This is from Sainik School. And here you go. You can answer me in full. Here you answer me in full. Preeti, Dhruv, and Sadhya. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. But only five of you gave me the correct answer. Rest, everyone has given me the wrong answer. Smallest five-digit number is being asked to you. Okay, smallest five-digit number. But three different digits you have to use, right? You have to use three different digits. Most of you answered A, but A may have only two digits. That is 1 and 0. Only two digits is used. That is why option A cannot be my answer. And this has come in Sainik School Beta 2023. It is a previous year question. This 1000 cannot be my answer because it has only two different digits. This 20,000 also cannot be my answer. Now, if I talk about this, it has 0, 2, and 1. But it is only of two digits because if you have 0 in front, that does not have any value. So it cannot be considered a five-digit number. It is only two-digit number. And if I see to this number, it has three digits and it is also the smallest among all. Smallest among all. Why? Because this is the two-digit number and among three digits, using three different digits, this can be my answer. 10,002. 10,002. Any doubt, Peter? Anyone? Option A cannot be the answer, beta, because it is being asked to use three different digits. And it has only two different digits, 1 and 0. That is why option A cannot be your answer. Okay, hope you must have taken the screenshot. Going to give you the next question, beta. This is also a previous year question. Same type of question it is. Write the smallest eight-digit number having four different digits. Zero one zero zero one zero zero two, 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1, 1 0 0 0 0 1 2 3, 1 0 0 0 0 0 2 3. And here you go. You can answer me in full. Answer me in full. quickly answer me? Kirti, Sadhya, and Arjun. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Six of you have given me the correct answer. Eight of you have given me the wrong answer. Oops. Eight wrong answer. And one not answered. Okay, let us see there. Eight-digit number, right? I have to find eight-digit number that has four different digits. So option A and option B cannot be my answer because here I have only 1, 0, and 2. Three different digits, and here I have only 1 and 0. Two different digits. So option A and option B, they cannot be my answer. Option C and option D can be my answer. I have to choose the smallest number. So among option C and D, D is the smallest one. Why? Because at the end I have 23. Here I have 123. So 23 is lesser than 123. That means option D is the correct answer. Anyone, any doubts, you can ask me dear. Or else I shall move to the next question.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if no, then here
No,
you
ma'am.
go. The next question. Next question is from RMS 2024. Find the greatest five-digit even number formed using 3, 0, 5, 7, and 8. Okay? You have to make greatest even number using these numbers. 83570, 85703, 87530, 87350. And here you go. You can answer me in poll. Here you go. कीर्ति साध्या एंड अर्जुन आप तीनों ने अपनी जगह बनाई रखी है यू हैव फिक्स्ड योर प्लेस राइट ओनली यू थ्री आर बिकमिंग टॉप थ्री वेरी स्मार्ट you are the first three almost 10 of you have given me the correct answer this time very smart there let us see greatest five digit even number is being asked so if even number is being asked at the end either you have 0 or 8 right either you have 0 or 8. So if I read the question, greatest is also being asked. I will keep 8 in front, 0 at the end. 8 in front, 0 at the end. And now the remaining numbers I shall put as per their values. So 7, then 5, then 3. 8, 7, 5, 3, 0. Option C is the correct answer. Any doubt there? Anyone?
Repeat again.
Anyone? Yes, beta, for sure. See, greatest five digit even number is being asked. So even number means what? Either you can have 0 at the end or 8 at the end from the given option, right? You can have 8 or 0 at the end. I have to find the greatest number. So 8 I have to put in front. 0 I can put at the last. And in between, I have to use the remaining digits, that is 3, 5, and 7. I will place them as per their value. So 7 is greatest, then 5, then 3. So 87530 will be my answer. Anyone else, beta? Any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. If no question, then that's it for today. In the next class, we will be doing poll question and we will learn something new. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
That's it for today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thanks for
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.